Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Blessed Crafts. I'm Tiffany, and we have another DIY for you. Thank you everyone for the well wishes, and thank you everyone for all the prayers and everything, and asking how I'm doing. I am doing okay. I am doing a little bit of struggling right now. I did actually just put out a new video on my other vlog channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, I can have that linked down in the description box below. But we're not going to get into that right now. But I am going to try to hop back into my own crafting. Fingers crossed. I do only have one craft for you this evening, just because I have another collab coming up on Monday and I have more crafting to do, so just worked out that way. But let's get into it, guys. So let's go. Hey everyone. Alright, so Recreation Inspiration. It is brought to you by Loli's D Creations and Lady Red Crafting, and our guest host this month is Happy Tuesday. And I only have one and only inspiration for you today, and we are going to get right into that. So this is my idea of where I was going with this. I really love the colors of where we're going with this. I really like the dark lines and everything. I really like the star. I really wish I could have had the wheel on that third one in the middle there. I didn't know where or how I was going to create that, so I didn't really go that direction. But here we're going to start off with a paint, and I'm opening up some DIY paint. It's DIY in sea glass, I believe it is. So it's kind of a turquoise. And I start lightly painting that. I do then kind of do this in stages a little bit. So then I take a little bit of like Brown Sprinkle by Apple Barrel, and I'm gonna kind of smear it a little bit with, I actually do it with my finger, to be honest with you. You can do it with a baby wipe probably, but you don't want to wipe back too much of that other paint, and DIY paint is activated by water, so it's probably one of the reasons why I decided to do it with my finger. And then I decided to get some black paint by Apple Barrel. This is jet black, and I'm going to kind of do like a little bit of light lines with this really thin paintbrush, and then I'm kind of going to smear that as well. And then I'm going to grab my other paintbrush, and then I'm going to kind of go over top of it to kind of blend it all in, to kind of make it look like it's weathered, but I wanted to make it look like it's got cracks in it. And then I'm kind of showing you, I did kind of go around the brown of it then with all of this. And then I decided I was going to go back in and do the lines here. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'll be going back in and doing all of the going over top of it with that paint. And then I'll do this throughout the entire house, and I'll show you that what it looks like when it's finished here in a few minutes, a few seconds, whatever. I didn't realize I showed you all of it. I thought I cut some more of this out. I apologize, guys. But I did want to blend that in a lot more of that. I didn't want them to be so stark. some of them got a little too blended, but I wanted them to obviously show, but not like be so apparent to where they were going to be like in your face. So here, this is kind of what we went with. So now I grabbed some cardboard that I had in my set. This is really thin cardboard. This is like the calendar cardboard that you find in like in between the calendars that you can get. And I'm just gonna cut it in like little tiny strips. This took me forever, you guys, to be honest with you. My back was just killing me after I got through with all of this, but I'm just cutting it in little tiny strips, and we are going to glue this on for our roof into like little tiny shingles. So we are just going along and just gluing and gluing and gluing. I go all the way up, and I do also that little like alcove area as well. And then I'll do the back as well, and that's what it looks like after it is all done. So here I'm gonna just show you some of the paint colors that I chose. I am going in with my apple bear, or my antique white for the window frames. I'm gonna go in with some antique copper for our roof. I thought the antique copper would be cool for a roof. And our flag red for our door. And then I actually do a green for the bottom and a gray for the steps as well, but I didn't show that. And then here we're gonna decorate it a little bit. So I do a little bit of moss for the little window, door thing there. Definitely wanted to add that star. Like I said, I was definitely going for that star. I had this little garden plaque in there, and I thought that would be really cute. It's spring, and it speaks to me as farmhouse decor thing here. I had this little bird in my stash too, and I thought that would be cute in the little hole there. So I figured we'd put that there. And then we're gonna glue all this stuff down. So here we're gonna add the little bird too. I decided I was gonna add a little bit of moss down to this little corner here. It says garden, so we're gonna kind of try to make it look like a little flower garden. So I have these little daisies. They're just little stickers, but they're really old. So little stickies don't stick no more. And then I had this little tiny rose that was off of something that I cut off. So we're gonna just stick that down. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all there is, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this final reveal. Definitely go check everybody else out in the playlist, guys. This is a really cute playlist. I really enjoy this playlist. Go check out Lady Red Crafting. Go check out Lowly D. And go check out Happy Tuesday. I don't know much about her. This is the first time actually working with her, so definitely go check her out. Give her some love. Give everybody some love. And yeah, hope to see you guys around. I'll be on here again on Monday for the Just Your Imagination, so definitely come check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry it was kind of a short video. I just got to get myself back into crafting. And I got some more projects coming up, on Monday. So I had to get some more crafting done for that. God bless everyone, and thank you again for all of the love. And I'll see you again on Monday. Bye.